Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML versus XHTML. Why XHTML? XML is a markup language where all documents must be marked up correctly, be well formed. XHTML was developed to make HTML more extensible and flexible to work with other data formats, such as XML. In addition, browsers ignore errors in HTML pages and try to display the website even if it has some errors in the markup. So XHTML comes with a much stricter error handling. If you want to study XML, please check our XML tutorial. In the future, we are still going to be dropping XML tutorial, but this is just like an introduction to XML also. So just be following along gently. So I'm going to show you our document in our previous tutorial. We're having this page in our previous tutorial, and this is our code. As you can see, our code right here. So I'm going to do something right here now. Let's just say, for instance, now I write h1. Let me come to the top here and write h1. When I write this h1, I write hello world. When I write the hello world right here, save your document, you are going to see what will happen. Can you see it's showing nicely, right? But let's say, for instance, now I mistakenly omit this thing. I remove something there. You are going to see what will happen. Let's reload our document. Can you see we are seeing error? This is part of the benefit of using XHTML. So that is why they are saying that. In addition, browsers ignore errors in HTML pages and try to display the website even if it has some errors in the markup. So let's say now, for instance, if it's in the HTML, the browser will display the content, but the error will not be showing like this one that is showing right here, error. So I'm going to show you how that also happens also. Let's go back to our HTML code. Let's come back to our desktop screen here and change this file now, rename it to HTML, because this is working along with XHTML. So definitely this is also HTML. Can you see browser try to open the code by all cost, despite the fact that we are having errors in our XHTML. Can you see? That's why they are saying HTML and XML, they are different. They are working together, but they are different in which way the error handling that the XHTML is having. But this HTML is not having the error handling that will be showing you those kind of. I'm going to be showing you how this works better in the next tutorial, in the next future. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Have a great day. Thank you so much.